Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in my bathroom. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an anti-aging lifting massage, and there's so many benefits to this technique. One, it's free. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars in the streets of Manhattan to get it done. Secondly, it helps with your blood flow and circulation, which thus helps boost your collagen. And we all know that the more collagen you have, your skin is firmer. There's a glow, right? So these are amazing benefits that you can have by doing your own facials. And I do these facials every day. I'm not lying, every day. I do it for 10 minutes right after I shower. But honestly, you can do it for 2 minutes to 20 minutes. It really just depends on your schedule. So you customize it and make it work for you. Okay? So all you'll need is your hands, and you'll also need a plant-based oil. You use almond oil, that's what I use. Or I also use shea butter. And basically you just need a product that can help you as you do these facial massages. We don't want to tug on the skin, we want to be gentle with it. So these products help aid in that. So you ready to learn the techniques? Stay tuned. Okay, so I just moved the camera a little bit because I wanted to make sure that you can see the techniques as I go. So like I said before, you'll need a plant-based oil, just something to help as you massage your face. I'm actually going to be using a blend, a customized blend. It's actually from a skincare line that I started with my older sister and a friend from kindergarten. It hasn't launched yet, but it consists of shea butter and grapefruit oil, mango butter, and so many lovely ingredients, and I'll definitely let you guys know when it launches in a few weeks. Selfless plug, whatever. And it smells really good too. So I'm basically gonna take, I would say like a dime size of this, and then I'm gonna rub it and put it on my face, and also my skin, my neck right here. Okay, so that's the first step. Just make sure it's really in there too, And as far as the techniques, I'm gonna start from my neck and work my way up, okay? So firstly, I'm going to take my hands, one over the other, and lift. And I usually do this 20 times per side. So as you can see here, I'm doing 20 times. And then I'll do 20 times here. And then 20 times here. And also you can stretch a little bit too, this really feels good and helps you feel relaxed, Alright, good? Okay, next we're gonna work on the jawline, so this is gonna make the jawline more defined. You can also remove any double chin that you might be facing. And that's basically it. So basically you want to use your thumbs, and you're gonna cut them right here, right under your chin, and then having your hands spread out like this, you're basically gonna glide your hands to your ear. You see that? And you're gonna do this 20 times. Slowly, you don't have to rush at all. Take your time and just make sure that you're really lifting your jawline. Okay? Now, we just did a jaw, right? So next would be the cheekbones. So you just want to have those nice defined cheekbones. So what I do is that I have my hands and fists starting from the jawline, and I work my way up and out towards my ear. Up out towards my ear. You're gonna see a lot of crazy facial expressions as we go through this. The next step, in order to really help with the blood flow and circulation, is this next move where you take one hand over the other and you just lift upwards 20 times. I'm actually doing a little bit more than 20 because it feels so good. But yeah. And once you do that, you could feel your muscles loosen, you know? It's sort of like after a workout when you just have that feeling that like, there's no tightness. That's why I feel like every time I do that, that technique. How about yourself? You feel it? Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is the mouth. So, you know, this area, we have our laugh lines, you know, some fine lines and wrinkles. So this technique can really help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, but it also can plump the lips as well. So there's many benefits. So there's 3 techniques I do for the lips. So the first one is that I get my ring finger and middle finger, and I basically go into small circles over my lip. 20 times. After that, we're going to do another technique where you're taking your ring finger and your middle finger again, and you're going upwards 20 times. Do it 20 times, okay? Or as much as you want. I'm just giving you instructions based on what I do on a daily basis. I customize it to what fits with your schedule, okay? You want to take it all the way up. I take it all the way up to my hairline, all the way up. All right. After that, the last thing I do for the my mouth portion is that I take my index, ring, and middle finger, as like so, horizontally, and I just do this motion where I'm basically gently pulling each side of my mouth with these 3 fingers 20 times. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is under my eyes, where we usually have our bags. And so this technique reduces puffiness. So it's really good in the mornings as well, if you want to do these facial massages in the morning. So once again, we're gonna take a fist, and then we're gonna gently press under the eye, up to the ear. I'm gonna do this 20 times. Do it gently, you don't need to tug. And if you feel that you are tugging, just get a little bit more oil and place it over your face. So now we're gonna head towards the corners of our eyes, where you usually can get crow's feet, you know, wrinkles as well as you age. So what you're gonna do is whatever side you want to start with. I usually start with my left side. You're gonna put your right hand over your head and use your ring finger and middle finger for both hands. And then we get a little bit closer. You're gonna gently pull on the corner of your eyes like so. This feels so good. I usually just close my eyes. And do it for 20, 30, 40, however long I feel, because it just feels so good. And I'm telling you, if you do this consistently, you'll definitely see a difference. You'll have firmness and definition in your face. I kid you not. I kid you not. There you go. And then we're gonna do it for the other side. I told you, like my facial expressions during this video, it's gonna be crazy. Okay, you do it 20 times. All right. Okay, we have 2 more techniques, guys. The next one is the forehead. And you know, you get when you're frowning, when you're angry, so many emotions, you can get lines right above there. And we're gonna fix that in a few minutes, in a few seconds actually. So once again, you're gonna take your middle finger or ring finger for both hands, and you just wanna gently push upwards. We're lifting. Get it? Anti-aging lifting massage. And you can also like kind of go side to side of it. Add a little bit of pressure as well. And this feels really good. You're like just removing all tension in your forehead. And then lastly, I usually give myself a scalp massage for 20 seconds as well. So I just use the tip of my fingers and go in and just give that scalp some love, you know? All right. Usually I go like this, and this is just for like lymphatic drainage as well. And that's it. There you have it. It took a few minutes, and how do you feel? Don't you feel great? This is honestly a really, really great way to start your day, or like me, end your day. And it's something that you could do anytime, anywhere. It's so convenient, especially during times like these where, we're instructed to stay home. This is like a little thing that you can do for yourself, and trust me, it really does work. Within a few weeks, I saw a major difference in my skin. Saw a lot of firmness and definitely a glow. So definitely do it. Try to incorporate in your skincare routine, and definitely leave a comment below and let me know how it is. So I hope you all found this video very, very informative. My overall goal of this channel is to really inform and inspire. So definitely leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and I'm very, very excited to be making plenty of videos for y'all. So stay safe and stay hopeful. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.